Hi guys, my name is Mohammed and today I'm going to solve one of the questions which came in CSSE 2023, and it's very important question because it's going to be assessed for the last 3-4 years for this question but in different values. So the question number 12, so CSSE past paper 2023, and the question number 12, very important questions with the exam CSSE entry 2025. It means for this year September you are expecting this question. So the question number 12 is says find 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 the value of x. Okay, and they are giving you this triangle. Okay, so this is the triangle they're giving. So this triangle, it says this one is 4x, this one is 3x, and this one is 2x. So the question number 12, part A. So very simple, very easy. Okay, you can try, as a trial and error method. Okay, so you can put any number in, you can try. Okay, so for example, the first method I'm going to tell you, for example, if I say assume the x equal to 5, is my assumption. Okay, so very simple, you can plug in the value and find out. Okay, so it means 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, and 4 times 5 is 20, and 3 times 5 is 15. So if you can sum up for this one, you can't make it equal to 180 degree because the sum of triangle equal to what? 180 degree. So number, you need to assume the number when you add up the whole number, so you will get the sum of 180 degree. Okay, so the second number, I can assume the x equal to 10. Okay, so for example, if I assume the x value is 10, so 2 times 10 is what? 20, and 3 times 10 is 30, and 4 times 10 is 40. Yeah. So if you make a sum for this one, is gonna be like 90. Okay. So it's not matching the sum of 180 degree. Again, I'm going to assume for this one is x equal to 20, for example. So look at this one. Okay, so if x value is 20, so 2 times 20, which is equal to 40. Okay, and the second one is 3 times 20, which is equal to 3 times 2 is 6, so it means 60, and 4 times 20, which is 80. Yeah, so look at this one. If you sum up of these all three angles, so is going to be 180 degree. So very simple, your answer will be, the x value will be what? 20. So we prove as well. Okay, if you put the value of x here, so 2 times 20 equal to 40, so this angle will be 40, and 3 times 20 is what? 60. Okay, so this one is 4 times 20 is 80. So if you add all three angles to get the 180 degree, it means the value of x will be 20. So this is the one way. Okay, I explained to you, just trial and error method. Okay, you just simply assume the x value is 5, x value is 10, or x value is 15, or x value 20. Okay, so this is the one way method you can work out, okay, randomly. Now the real method, okay, it says the sum equal to 180 degree. Okay, so I'm going to erase this one and I'm going to the second method. So it's very simple, very easy. So what you're going to do is, we know that the sum of triangle, first of all, sum of triangle, what? Sum of triangle equal to 180 degree. Very simple. What you're going to do it? 2x plus 3x plus 4x equal to 180 degree. So you can add 2x, 3x, 4x, yeah? So it's going to be 5 plus 4, which is 9x, equal to 180 degree. So as per the equation, we divide both sides by 9 if you're going to find the value of x. So very simple. When you divide by 9, okay, so 9 cancel with this 9. So 9 times 2 is 18 and this 0. So it means the x value is 20. So you can find the value of x of 20 and you can prove as well, okay. So for example, I said if you plug in this 20 here, so 2 times 20, which is 40 degree, and 3 times 20 equal to 60, and this one is 80 degree. If you sum of all this one, okay, so you will get 180 degree. So this is very important question with the exam point of view for this year. Okay, I'm going to move for the part B. So part B is also same as find the missing angle, how you work out the missing angle. So question number 12, part B. So let me write down. So question number 12 and question number 12, part B. Oh, is they just draw a diagram. It says isosceles and equilateral triangle are drawn with the same base as shown the diagram. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a diagram here. Okay, look at this one. Okay, they draw a isosceles angle. Okay, so the property of isosceles angle is what? Okay, so these two angles are equal each other, so it's called what? Isosceles angle. So isosceles angles, okay, so the property says that, you know, the two sides are equal each other is called isosceles, okay. And also one of the triangle is called what? Equilateral triangle, okay. So equilateral triangle is like that, okay, they will dotted line, okay, and they say this is equilateral triangle, okay. So this is equilateral triangles, okay, and with the same base they are using, okay. And we must know about the equilateral triangles. On the other side, I'm going to draw here. This is equilateral triangle, okay. And the property for the equilateral triangle is that what? Okay, the all side equal each other, okay. Now examiner is giving this angle, okay, what? 30 degree. And now examiner is asking about what? Find this missing angle, okay. So they are asking about you what is the value for, okay, it says y. So we need to find out the value of y. So basically there are two triangles. One is isosceles and the second is equilateral triangle, okay. They just overlap on the isosceles, yeah. And we know the properties, okay. So it's very simple, very easy, okay. What you're going to do it, okay, from here to here you just write is a equilateral which is equal to 60 degree, yeah? Okay. And now we go for isosceles triangle, okay. So isosceles triangle, okay, I can draw one more here so you can understand. This is isosceles and they are giving you 30 degree. So isosceles means two sides are equal each other. So what we're going to do it, 180 take away 30, which is equal to what? 150. Yeah. So it means 150, okay, comprise of these two angles. So we divide by 2, which is equal to what? 75. So this is 75. This is 75. If I remove this equilateral triangle, so the angle value be what? 75. Okay, so what we're going to do it, okay, so this is 75. Okay, from here to here is total value is what? 75. And the equilateral, we know about that, what? 60 degree. Very simple, very easy. What you're going to do it, okay, so 75 take away 60, okay, equal to 15 degree. So your answer is, the y value is 15. So that's it for today, okay? So this is the question number 12 came CSSE 2023, and there are chances to coming in 2025 as well with a different value, okay? So if you like this video, please share with family, friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I'm going to make more videos about 11 plus. So hope you guys are ready for 11 plus. If you need any help and support, don't hesitate to contact with me. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.